Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to create a website using WordPress theme. No coding skills required. We will be using premium WordPress theme purchased on firstsight.design called Levre Cosmetics Beauty Shop. This is my camera operator. You may hear him barking on the background. Sorry for that. At least he's very cute. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. This helps us a lot. And leave comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer. We will be using a premium WordPress theme called Levre Cosmetics Beauty Shop. You can see it here on my screen. To start with, I would like to say a couple of words about WordPress in general, WordPress themes, and about their benefits. While WordPress is the most popular website builder in the world, it's not the only option. There are other site builders like Wix, Squarespace, and many others. So what's the difference? WordPress software is open source. WordPress theme, it's a single payment, while other site builders usually charge monthly payments. And once you want to cancel your subscription, you'll need to figure out how to keep your website data. With WordPress, you'll need to pay for the hosting and domain name only. Additionally, there are a lot of plugins for WordPress which allow to easily add powerful functionality to your website. The theme we're going to use today is available on themeforest.net, the largest theme marketplace in the world. Here it is. I would suggest you to choose WordPress theme on ThemeForest since you'll get free updates of the theme forever, and all themes on the marketplace are of a high quality as they are checked by the review team. Also, you can see customers' reviews on each theme and can ask theme authors any questions before you make a purchase. So here, as an example, a WordPress theme, its details page, we can see that there are 13 5-star reviews. We can go there and read them all. Or we can write a comment and ask a question. So to start building your website, you will need to buy a domain name. It's the unique name that appears after the www in web address. And you will need to buy a hosting. In its most generic sense, it's storage for your website. I will leave links in the description where you can purchase hosting and domain name. Once you have hosting and domain name, you will need to install WordPress on your website. Link to the installation guide video will be in the description as well. So here I've already installed a fresh WordPress on my website. I've already downloaded this beautiful WordPress theme called Levre. This one. So I've downloaded this theme. Here is its archive. I have to unzip it, open the folder. I'm going back to my website. So I'm currently logged into the admin panel. I went to the Appearance tab, chose Themes, and here I have to click Add New button to add my new theme. I have to click Upload Theme. I'm clicking here Choose File. So here are my files I've downloaded, and I have to choose Levre, open it, install. Theme has installed successfully. I have to go back to Appearance, Themes. So here is my theme I've installed, and it's a parent theme. And I will now install child theme. So I'm currently installing Levre Child. So Levre Child, it's a child theme of Levre, and I will activate a child theme instead of a parent theme. In this way, it will be easier to make all the customization. Usually child themes are used by more experienced users who want to make some customization changes. They may want to make code changes, and child theme is used for that purposes. So I've installed and activated Levre Child. After this, I have to install all the plugins. On top, I can see this warning message suggesting me to install plugins. So I will click Begin installing plugins. And here is a list of all suggested plugins. I can choose them all at once, In this drop down, I have to choose install, click apply button, and the installation process has begun. So I just need to wait for a moment. All done, all plugins are installed, and I can return to the dashboard. So this is just a promo pop-up. I can close it for now. Okay, so all plugins are installed, and I can now proceed with importing demo data. So by importing demo data, I will copy all content I'm seeing in the demo right here. So all images, all settings, all pages will be imported to my website. It's just easier to import the demo data and then to edit it rather than create all the pages and so on. So here I can see, again, I went to appearance and chose import demo data. Here I can see 4 demos. So I can choose the one I'm interested in. So I'll be installing the main one, the first one. I have to click import demo, click continue import, and import process will start. This may take a while, up to 10 minutes, so please be patient. Okay, we can see that demo import is complete. I can see a warning message right here. From this warning message, I can understand that there are 2 images that were not imported. So that's really a tiny thing. We can proceed, and let's take a look how our website looks right now. Here it is. I can see that some images are blurred. That means that this particular image has some copyright and cannot be distributed, so it's blurred. The images that are not blurred, they have open license, can be used on every website basically, they can be reused. So okay, I can see all the content, I can see that I'll need to connect my Instagram account. Perfect. So we can start setting up our website, and there are a couple of ways to start. I would suggest you to start from the Customize option right here. When I click on Customize link on top of the screen, it will open Customization panel, Site panel, and I will see different customization options. So the first one is called Theme Options. Here I can see branding, typography, colors, navigation, so on and so forth. So let's start with the first one. It's branding. Here I can change my logo. So to do that, I simply need to click on Select Image, click on Select Files button, and choose logo I want to upload to my website. So here I have a couple of logos, and I'm currently changing a black logo, so let's upload a black one instead. So I will see changes right away. Here I can see that my logo changed. I would suggest you to upload logos in SVG format. In this way they will not be blurred, they will look great on all devices, on mobile phones with retina displays as well. So let's change the white logo. Again, upload files, select files, select file you want to upload. Once it's uploaded, click on select, and here it is. Okay, so we've uploaded white logo as well. Here are underneath I can see a logo tab width setting. It will help me to change size of the logo. Here I can see that, yeah, it's too big. Maybe I'll decrease it a bit. Perfect. Here I can edit a copyright message. Copyright message appears on bottom of the screen. I can change the year, let's say 2022. Instead of beauty store, I can write my, let's say, my brand's name. Okay, and to save all changes, I need to click on the publish button on top of the settings panel. Okay, we are done with branding. Let's go back and let's proceed with typography. In typography, I can choose a different font. Well, I'm happy with my font and I'll keep it as is. Looks great. I can change also colors, so I can change primary color, I can change other colors here. Again, I'm happy with how everything looks on my website, so I'll keep colors as they are. Navigation, so here I can see a bunch of options for navigation, so let's explore them. I can just go through all of them and test and see how they look and choose what works best for me. So now I can see that menu is sticky on scroll. I can change this setting here. I can choose static. That will mean that menu will not stick on top. I prefer sticky option. There are also mega menu options right here. Mega menu, let's see. Here it is. So this big menu is called mega menu, and I can change its style right here if needed. I can hide logo. I can hide all the some elements from my menu. So I can hide a wish list button. I can hide a search, shopping bag, logo. I can change this bag text to a bag icon if I want right here, so I will need to upload an icon of a bag if I want. This is really nice customization options, but I will leave menu as it is. I like how it looks. So I can see a top banner here with a Black Friday sale option, so I can change this message right here. Okay, and I can provide a link right here, which will be opened by clicking on Learn More button. Okay, so let's save changes again by clicking on the Publish button. Let's go back and proceed with the footer settings. The content in these 4 columns, you can simply click on the Edit icon near each column. For example, here I want to change the logo. I can see I was navigated to a different section in the customization side panel, footer sidebar. And here I can see 4 expandable elements. Each corresponds to the column in the footer. The first one, it's a column with a logo and social media icons. In order to change the logo, there are a couple of options. I'll show you one of the options. So go to Text tab right here. You can see that here is a link of the image that is being used as a logo. So simply you can go here, click on the Add Media, choose the logo you want to use. It will be its code will be pasted right here, and you have to copy the first link right here. So from the https till .svg, just copy it, remove the code, and change the link right here. So this one you have to delete it and paste the one you've copied, and the logo will be pasted in the footer. You can see that there is also a width and height. It's a size of the logo. You can change these options if you want to change the size of the logo. Okay, so the next column is About, and here I can change its title, but the menu will need to set up a menu to change the menu options right here. I'll show you this a bit later. So for now I can simply change the column title. I can change the column title right here as well. Now it's help, and I can also change the title "We don't keep our beauty secrets," which is meant to be used with the subscription form. And for the subscription form to appear in your footer, you will need to set up MailChimp plugin for WordPress. You can click on this link and proceed with the settings. Okay, so we've set up our footer. Let's go back to where we left theme options. And the next one is blog. So let's go to our blog. Here it is. And here I can show or hide filters. Okay, so let's leave the filters. I can also turn off the sticky post section. Sticky post is this one post, the biggest one, the most important, the featured one, let's call it. I can change the option, so it can be on top like this, and it can be as a sidebar, and I can also choose a sticky post which I want to feature from the list of all posts right here, and I can also change settings for I can choose how many columns I want to show right here. Right now I have 2 columns. I can leave it as is, or I can change this number. For example, if I choose a sticky post to appear on top, I may want to change the grid and make 4 posts instead of 2. Okay. I can also change a pagination type. Now it's a standard pagination. I can switch to load more button if I want to, so that really depends on your preferences. And I can also set up here share in social lists. These icons will appear on each post details page and will allow users to share the post to the selected social medias. Okay, so I want to save all the changes. Here is, I can see a blog post without a picture, and there is simply its title, category, and a date. It's a standard post that is being pasted here by WordPress, so you can simply delete it or edit it if needed. The next section is called career, so I have a career page. Here it is. Okay, let's close it for now and open career page. Let's go back to our customization panel, theme options, career, and I here have some settings for this particular page, so you can go through them and just set up the page if you are going to use it. If you have open positions, you can set up this page right here. Okay, let's go back. There is also a shop section, so shop is right here. Let's open it. Again, a bunch of settings. You can go through them one by one. You can show or hide header section. Let's leave it switched on. You can choose whether you want to show just a text and just a title and subtitle right here, or you can select an option with an image. To change the image, you simply need to click on the select image button, and you need to choose the image you want to use from your library, or upload a new image by clicking on the select files button. Once the image is uploaded, simply click on the select button and the image will be pasted right here. You can see that each product may have some labels, right, like new, sold out, or sale, and this theme has this option to hide all the labels. On hover, each product has quick actions like add to cart, view product, and add product to wish list. There is also a possibility to hide quick actions overlay, and you can see that there will be nothing on hover except of the darker image. Here you can also change the title of this page, subtitle. You can choose pagination type. Now it's a simple pagination, standard pagination. You can switch to a load more button. In this example, I have filter sidebar. I can hide it. Now it's hidden, and again, if the sidebar is hidden, I would suggest to switch to a 4-column product grid. So let's leave for now a filter sidebar as in the example. Here I can also enable upsell products. So these are all e-commerce features. You can dig deeper a bit by exploring more WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the WordPress plugin that is in charge of all e-commerce part. Okay, so I'm done with my settings. I can publish everything and go back. The next section is social. So here I can change social media icons I'm using all over the website and in the footer in particular. I have Instagram. I can here paste my Instagram account link. I can remove icons by clicking on remove button, and I can add new social media icons by clicking on add new social. I will need to choose. Okay, so just choose social media you are using and provide profile links to your social media accounts. Click on the publish button to save the changes. Here are some optimization settings. I would suggest you to leave them as they are and proceed with the next part of the settings section. The next settings section is called site identity. Here I can change site title. So I would suggest you to write your brand name, for example. So this description tagline can appear in the Google search, so you may want to use some keywords here. And site icon, it's a fav icon you can upload right here by clicking on select site icon and just uploading your image. Let's go back. And the next part of the settings is called menus. Here is the menus settings. We can see there are 3 menus right now: menu 1, footer menu 1, and footer menu 2. The main menu that appears in the header is called menu 1. Here it is. Here is a list of all pages that are currently used in our header. We can see different levels of pages. So home is a parent level. Home 1, home 2, home 3, home 4, these are child pages that appear on hover in a drop-down menu. Home page, we can see that it's linked to a front page. We can see it right here. And we can also see that home version 1 has a custom link right here. So there is an option to add here pages that already exist on your website, or you can also add labels with custom links. So let's see how we can do that. Just click on the add items, and here you will see the list of all pages that are available on your website, and you can click on a page to add it to the list. For example, Black Friday, and I've added this page, and I can replace it by dragging it to a place I need. Okay, so I can remove it by clicking on the close icon, and I can also add a custom link. So I can add custom page. This name will appear in the menu, and right here I will need to paste a link to the page. Okay, you can also notice that there is a default drop-down menu and there is a mega menu. So in order to set up a mega menu, you need to set up pages here like this. So I have a shop as a first level menu item, then I have product pages, catalog types, catalog columns, shop pages as second level, and I have child pages in each column. Here they are. So the first level, second level, third level, child level, right here. Okay, once I've set up my menu, I can save changes, and I need to go to my admin panel, click on the name of your theme, scroll down, choose appearance, menus. So basically this is the second place where you can set up your menu as an option. So here on top you have to choose menu 1, our main navigation menu that appears in header. Click on the select button and you will see all the pages in our header, like right here. And I want to make shop a mega menu. So let's see, let's expand it, and you will see this toggle, enable menu. It's enabled, enable mega menu. It's enabled, which means that shop item will have a mega menu drop down. And I can add that setting to each parent menu item. So here, for example, home, I want to make a mega menu. I chose that setting. I have to click on save menu, and let's see how it will look like so here it is. I can see that now it's a mega menu. Okay, so let's go back, let's revert our changes. Let's make it default menu, save changes. Okay, let's go back to our customization panel by clicking on customize link on top of the screen, and we were here. So we've set up our menu. So I now can delete pages I don't need. For example, I don't need 2 options of the blog. I just can remove one. I can simply leave one option of the contact details page. Let's remove 2 other pages. If you removed a page by mistake, you can always go to the add items and add the page back by simply clicking on the name. So contact. Here I have 3 options. For example, I want to use the second one. I'm dragging it right here and deleting the first option. And I can also change the navigation label right here. So I can just leave contact, for example. And again, since I have only one contact page, I don't need a parent label right here. I can simply make this page a parent page and delete this one. Perfect. Let's save changes and go back. And right here I have 2 footer menus. So 2 footer menus are these 2 columns. The first one, it's a first column right here. It's called footer menu 1. So here I have 4 pages. And the second column, I have here 5 pages. I can reorder them. I can remove the pages I don't need. I can add other pages and publish settings. Perfect. Let's go back. So the widget section, it's a footer section, so the one we've already talked about. In this section I can work with these 4 columns in the footer. So let's go back. I have also a homepage settings here. I can change a homepage, so currently it's a default homepage. I can change these settings right here, and I can change a posts page as well right here. Perfect. There is also a WooCommerce section. I can change a store notice. I can set up a product catalog. Well, I will leave all the default settings for now. I will leave a default sorting. I can change the size of the product images here. I can change their ratio. I will leave all the settings as they are, since I like how the website looks. And I can also set up a checkout page right here. I can change some links to privacy policy pages, for example, and so on. Okay, let's go back. And there is an option additional CSS here. If you need if you need to make a code customization, you can add some custom CSS right here to apply changes you need. Okay, that's it. We are finished with the customization options, and let's see how we can edit the content on our pages. So to edit the main page, the home page, I will need to click on the Edit with Elementor. Elementor, it's a page builder, so it should be very easy to edit all the content on the pages that are built with Elementor. Okay, so here I can see that the page is opened in an edit mode. In order to change the background image, I can right click with my mouse. I can choose Edit section. And then let's see, I need to choose Style tab right here, and I will see my background image. Here it is. And I can change a different image from my image library, or I can upload my custom image, so that really depends on your preferences. Let's see what we have here. Let's upload our custom image. So I've chose an image I want to upload. I have to wait. Okay, it's uploaded, perfect. I need to click on the insert media button, and here is my image, perfect. I love how it looks, and I can change all the copies simply by clicking on the edit, by hovering on the text and clicking on the edit button. Here I can see my title. I can change it to a different text, so type your text here. I can also add a link if I want this text to be a link. And to save changes, I need to click on the update button. Okay, let's see what we've done. Let's reload our homepage. Here it is. Here is our image and the text we've changed. Let's go back to our editor. Here are two buttons. I can change the copy on the button right here, button text. So it can be button 1, and I have to insert the link right here. Save changes, and to edit the second button, simply click on the edit icon, edit its text, change the link right here, and save changes by clicking on the update button. So here is our ticker. Here I can change the text that appears. In my example, it's free shipping, proven efficacy, cruelty-free, made in France, and so on. Just simply edit text right here for each item. Save changes, perfect. You can also change ticker space, so you can make all the text more condensed or just leave settings as they are. Perfect. Let's proceed with the next section. You can also change each section by hovering on this icon, double click or right click. Click on the edit section and you'll see all the settings option in the side panel. So here we have 4 product categories. Click on the edit icon to change this section. Here we can see that there are a couple of grid styles. You can explore all of them and choose the one you like. I'll leave the first one. There is a brand category body. I can change this product category from the list. I can choose a different product category. I can also change button text, view more, for example. Here the text has changed. And to change images that appear for each category, I have to go to the product categories. So to do that, I need to go to my admin panel, choose products, categories, and here I can see the list of all categories with images. So I'm currently using body category. Let's see its options. I've clicked on the edit link and here I can change category name. I can upload images that are being used in the grid right here. So simply upload different images right here and click on the update button if you want to change the images. Let's go back to our Elementor editor, and to change text on the right of the grid, simply click on the edit button and edit text right here. Click on the update button to save changes, simple as it is. The next section is a product section. Again, we can change it by clicking on the edit icons. Just explore settings you have on the left. Change the copy by clicking on the edit icon and changing the text in the title field right here. You can also change a link a call to action button right here. You can change the link by pasting your own right here. If you want to open the page in a new window, just make sure that this checkbox is checked in link options. To the next section, which is a section with products. It's called Our Best Sellers. Here I can change the copy, I can change call to action. So, and I can, for this section, I can choose the product sorting. So it can be sorted by rating, by total sales, price, and so on. So let's proceed with the next section. It's simply an image. Again, to change the image, right-click, edit section, or right-click, edit section, choose Style tab right here, image, click on it, choose the one from the library, or upload a new image. The copy and the call to action is changed by clicking on the edit icon. We've already talked about that. The next section is called As Seen On. You can change its name. Basically, it's the set of logos that work as a carousel and some text right here. So there are three items. I can click on each, expand, and change the link, call to action, change the logo, and text right here. Perfect. The next section is blog. So here again I can change copy, call to action, and have some settings for the posts. The next section is Instagram. So you will need to link your Instagram account, and after that you'll see Instagram pictures right here. This theme is using a plugin to show these Instagram pictures, so you'll be able to, we'll talk about that a bit later. So right now you can change the call to action, you can change its copy, and you can change the link. Just paste the link to your Instagram account. Save changes, and that's it. All done. You've already set up your home page. After you've set up your home page, you are ready to proceed with other pages. So in our demo, it's a shop section. So let's dive deeper into that. I would highly recommend you to watch a separate video about WooCommerce. WooCommerce, it's a plugin that is used to set up all e-commerce functionality, basically. In this video, we'll touch it quite deeply, but there are a lot of settings you may want to explore in more details. So we'll start with products. In your dashboard, go to the products tab, choose all products, and here you'll see the list of all products that are currently available on your website. These products were imported with all the import data, so if you don't need them, simply delete, but before deleting them, I highly recommend you to go to the edit mode of each product and explore in more details which settings there are. So I've currently opened the edit mode of the product. It's a balancing gel. Let's open preview in the new video, so in the new window. So here it is. We have product title. Let's change it. Click on the update button right here. Refresh the page. Okay, so here we can see that its title changed. Let's go back to the edit mode. Perfect. Let's scroll down. We can see that this product is a variable product. So there is a simple product and variable product. Let's go back to the product details preview. So you may notice that there are a lot of options right here, like size, color options, package options. All these options are available using variable product. If you don't need them all, you may switch to the simple product. Let's leave it variable product. So here you can set up stock quantity and some other settings. You can explore them by switching between these tabs. Let's scroll down. Here we have a description, which is this one. And let's take a look on the right side panel. Here we have product categories. product tags, and brands. We can specify which product categories are associated with this product, which tags are associated, and brands. But to add brands here, categories here, or tags, we'll need to go right here. So products, there is a categories tab, tags tab, and brands tab. Let's open categories tab, for example. Product categories. Here we can see all the list of all categories. We can delete them, we can edit them, we can add new category. For example, let's new category, test. We can upload image if needed right here and add new category. Perfect. Here it is. Let's go back to our product. Let's refresh our page and let's see new category test. Here it is. So that is pretty simple, and you can set up like that your product tags and brand. The logic is exactly the same. So here we have a setting that can enable or disable a new product label. So for example, if you are setting up your new website, you are adding all products, they by default will be all new with the label new. You may not want to show that label. In that case, you simply need to disable the setting right here. Here we have video product settings. In case if you have a video review or a video you want to add to your product details page, this is a place to do it. You can upload a custom video, you can add YouTube or Vimeo link right here, and this video will be shown on your product details. I'll show you in a bit how it looks like. So let's leave that blank. In product image and product gallery, you need to upload your product images. Just check the suggested size of an image or try to maintain this ratio. Perfect. That's it basically. You've set up your product, and all products you've added will appear on the catalog page right here. That's it. You now know how to set up your online store. In order to set up payment options, delivery options, you have to go to your admin panel, choose WooCommerce, and here you'll see a lot of options. Go to settings. For example, to change currency, you need to scroll down to the currency option and choose the currency you are interested in. Set it up here. Then if you need to change shipping options, go here, set up your shipping options, payment options in the payment tab, and so on. So simply go through all the settings, set up your store as you need it. You may have already noticed that there is one particular product type, which is gift card. So for gift card, you are able to choose a gift card amount. You can enter recipient's email, type a message, add it to cart, and send it to the recipient. So let's take a look at settings options. I just clicked on the edit product link right here on top of the screen. Here it is. So in the product data, the option gift card is selected. And right here we can change gift card amounts. I can add another option. I can delete an existing option, for example. And here I can add some description. In the product image, there is the image of the gift card. That's it. I can click update, and I've updated or created a gift card. Let's take a look how to create a product from scratch. You need to click on the add new button. Simply fill out all the details, like the product name, new product test, for example. By default, it's a simple product. Regular price is 100, sale price is 50, for example. it's these brands. Choose from, okay, let's add fragrance, bestsellers. Let's choose a product image. I can upload new product images or choose from existing. Let's choose this one. Click publish. Perfect. Preview changes. Let's take a look how our product looks like. So new product test. By default, the label new was added. It's on sale since I specified a sale price. There is no description since I haven't added it, and there are no images in the product gallery since I haven't added them neither. Perfect. Let's proceed with the next page, which is brands. Here is the page. Basically, it's a list of all brands in alphabetical order. We've already saw brands in the admin panel, so to add brands to your website, you need to go to your admin panel, open Products tab, choose Brands, and you'll see the list of all brands that are currently available on your website. You can simply choose them all and delete. And after that, you can add your own brands. Simply type name in here. That's it. All other fields are optional. Click on the Add New Brand button, and brand we've created, which was, let's see, on the next page. Here it is, test brand. Okay, so let's go back to our page. Here on top, I can see that I can edit this page with Elementor. Let's open Elementor editor in the new tab. Here is our page. Perfect. On top, I can see a background image. Again, I can right-click on the image, click on the Edit section, navigate to the Style tab, and here I can change background image to a different one. Simply select an image and click Insert Media. And again, to edit title, subtitle, simply hover on the block and click on the Edit icon. Change copy in the sidebar here, and don't forget to click on the Update button. All brands that you've added in your admin panel, they will automatically appear on the page in the alphabetical order, so you don't have to do anything here. And we can proceed with the next page, which is our story. Let's go here. Really nice page where you can add a lot of information about your company, some benefits. So let's take a look how to edit it. Again, click on the Edit with Elementor action, open Elementor editor. To edit background image, right-click, Edit section, choose Style tab, and here in the image you can choose a different image to insert to your hero section. Text headings and subheadings here are editable in the same way. Simply hover on the block, click on the Edit icon and change your copy. Right here, don't forget to click on the Update button. Again, underneath there is a ticker, same one as on the same page, and you can simply edit it like you did on the home page. So I want to stop here. The next block has 2 images and 3 blocks with text and icon. So let's see how we can edit that. Hover on the block you want to edit, click on the Edit icon, and here in the side panel we can see that there is an icon. You can replace it by clicking on it, and by default you'll see icon library that is available in Elementor. You can see that all icons here are pretty simple. If you want to use your custom icons, you need to hover on the block right here and click on the Upload SVG button. And you can see that media library is opened and you can choose a different icon. So we can see that this theme has really nice icon library, and you can choose icons from existing library. Simply like choose a different icon. Let's see how, yeah, you can see the icon was changed. Let's go back. Let's put icon back. Perfect. And for the text, simply scroll down a bit and you can see there is a title and description information right here. And there are also other settings, like you can switch between circle and square as the background for your icon. You can see that if you navigate to the Style tab, you can change the background color of an icon. So I don't want to save that. I want to go back, so I'm reloading the page without saving all the changes. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward here as well. And to edit images, hover on the image you want to change, right click, edit image, and here you can again change your image. You can upload a new one or select existing image in your library. There are also other settings. You can test them and see if you need to make any changes. I like how this block looks, so I'll leave it as it is. The next block is simply image and text on the right, and again, to edit this information, you simply need to hover on the block you want to edit, click on the edit icon, and make changes you need. If you want to change the background color, you need to click on the edit section on the background, navigate to the Style tab right here, and change color. Choose a different color in color picker. That's it. You can also insert an image as a background if you need one here. Okay. Underneath, again, there is just a text block. It's a quote. If you want to edit it, simply click on the edit icon on the block. The next one, again, is pretty simple block. So just remember, if you need to change the background, you usually need to navigate to the Style tab right here, and you'll find background image here. To edit call to action, again, you need to hover on it, click on the edit icon. You can change right here button style. If you want to make it, for example, primary instead of outline button, you can do it right here. You can change copy on the button right here. You can see that there is a real-time preview. Button link is editable in the button link input. If you need to change the setting, open in new window, simply click on the link options. It's this icon right here. Perfect. Again, the same block as we had on top of this page, and footer. So pretty straightforward. And I must say that every page that is built using Elementor Builder is edited in this way. So the logic is the same, and after you've done with a couple of pages, you'll figure it out and you'll be pretty quick in editing all other Elementor pages. The next page on our website is a page called Values. Again, it's a simple Elementor page which you can edit with Elementor Page Builder. There are no unusual elements on this page, and all editing is pretty straightforward, so I won't stop here. I would proceed with the next section of the website, which is blog. So here we have a blog catalog page. As you can see, on top of the page there is no more action to edit with Elementor, since it's a default WordPress page and it's not built using Elementor Page Builder. This page consists of blog posts. So to fill this page, you need first to create blog posts that will appear in the catalog on this page. So let's go to our admin panel. In the left sidebar, you'll see section posts right here. So here you can see the list of all blog posts that are currently available on our website. Before deleting the posts, I suggest you to open a couple of posts in edit mode just to see how you can edit them, or I'd suggest you to not to delete them but to edit them and simply replace your simply paste your content to the blog posts. As you can see, all blog posts support Elementor editor. So simply go to the Edit with Elementor, click right here on this action, and you'll open post details page in the Elementor editor. So here you can see that, so the top part you won't be able to edit with Elementor. You'll be able to edit the top part in default WordPress editor. To open it, click on the Edit action underneath the name of the post. And here on the right, you'll see featured image, the one that appears right here. So to replace it, go to the default edit mode of the WordPress and click on the image, and you'll be able to insert your own image to the media library, or you'll be able to choose existing image in your library. And to save changes, click on the update button right here. The name of the post, this is the name of the post. It appears on top of the page right here. This is information about the author. It will be populated automatically, as well as the date, creation date of the post. If you need to change the creation date of the post, you can do it right here. You can change that as well. And to change the category, you need to expand the category tab and choose corresponding category. Click on the update button to save changes, and you are done with the top part. And to edit the blog post itself, simply scroll down and you'll be able to do all the changes in the Elementor editor. Again, edit icon and change the text in the left side panel. Here you'll be able to upload your own image, so on. Pretty straightforward. So tags you are able to add in the default WordPress editor right here. These are tags. And social media is set up in the Customizer. We already went through those settings when we talked about Customizer. Perfect. So once you are done setting up your blog posts, you'll be able to go back to your blog catalog page, and you'll see that it will be populated automatically. On top, you'll see a featured post. To change that, you'll need to go to Customizer. Let me remind you. So simply go open your customization panel, go to Theme Options, choose Blog, and right here you'll be able to apply some changes to the blog catalog page. Here you can see sharing social list, so those icons that appear on bottom of each blog post page. Perfect. So you are done with the blog now, and we can move forward. The next page on our website is called gift cards. So it's a promo page for gift cards. If you want to promote them, if you are selling gift cards, this page is for you. This page is created using Elementor editor. We can understand that from the available action on top of the page, Edit with Elementor, so we can simply click on it. And we will be redirected to the edit mode of this page. The top section is edited same way as other pages we've already reviewed. So you already know how to edit this section with two images and three icons. Underneath, there is a section with an image and text. There is call to action, and to this call to action, you can see that we've edited a link to a product, gift card product. So go to the store, open gift card product details, copy its link, go back to the Elementor editor, and paste this link right here. And you'll redirect your customers from this page to the product details page for the gift card. Click on the update button to save the changes and proceed. And here you can just simply do the same and replace the link to the needed one. Underneath you can see there is a frequently asked questions section with accordion. To edit this section, Again, hover on the block, click on the edit icon, and in the left side panel you'll see there are 3 items. The first question with an answer and so on. And to add a new item, simply click on the action add item. You'll see that the 4th item will be added right here. You can reshuffle the items by using drag and drop, or you can remove simply by clicking on the remove icon. This theme has 3 options for the contact page. You can choose the one that fits best your needs, and you can simply remove 2 other pages. So first go through all the pages and try to understand which one will work best for you. So here is the first option. Let's take a look on the next available option. Here it is. So we can see that layout is a bit different. Here we have a very big contact us form. Okay, and let's take a look at the third option. Get in touch section with a map, and a big contact form. So I will choose the third option with the map. To edit this page, again, click on the Edit Elementor link, and you'll open the page in the edit mode. The top section is edited in the same way all other top sections are, so there are no difficulties with that. The next section is also pretty easy to edit. Simply hover on the block you want to edit, click on the edit icon, and make changes you need in the left side panel. Let's take a look how we can change the location on the map. So hover on the map, click on the edit icon, and in the left side panel you'll see that there is a location input field. And let's see how we can, for example, so you can simply enter the location like you do on Google Maps, and it will automatically, the map will be automatically updated to the location you've entered in the input field. This is pretty easy. You can change the settings right here. You can change the height of the map. So very easy to set up a map with the location. And on the left side there is also information you can edit. Simply click on the edit icon and make changes you need. In this example, call to action button leads to the career page. You can change this. You can basically remove the button if you don't need it, so that is pretty simple as well. And the contact form, you can see that here. So you cannot edit the contact form on this screen. You can see that in the left side panel you can choose from different forms. So these forms were created by theme authors, and let's see where we can find them and edit them. For example, I want to make subject field optional. Currently it's required. So all contact forms, they live in the admin panel. In contact forms, there are all forms that were created. To edit forms, you need to hover on the edit icon under the contact form name. So here is the form I want to edit. You can see all these form settings right here. They are pretty straightforward. So you can see that, that there are a couple of inputs. So let's see. Here is our form. You can see default, which is I want to change this to a name. So instead of a default, I want to type name. And asterisk means that this input is mandatory. And I want to make phone number optional and subject, yeah, I'll leave that mandatory. Okay, so let's save changes. Let's go back to our page, refresh. And here I can see that I changed. And here I can see that I changed the label to name. And here I can see that the phone input is currently optional. It's not mandatory anymore. So again, to make changes to your contact forms, you need to go to your admin panel, to the contact and contact forms. And here you will be able to create a new form if you need one. by clicking on Add New Form. Let's go back to our contact details page, and that's it. So all settings are straightforward here as well. Let's move forward, and we have other pages left. So I can see that there are all these pages are created using Elementor editor. So editing is very straightforward there. I would like to stop and talk more about career pages. So let's see. Career pages have there is a career catalog, let's say, and career details pages. So I've opened currently the career catalog page. Let's click on the Edit with Elementor. Open this page in Elementor editor. You can change the hero section here in the same way as you did for other pages. Underneath, again, just simply click on the edit icon, make changes, and here you'll see positions list. So positions list, you cannot edit it right here, since this data, like location of the position and position name, is pre-populated from open positions. And to create a new position, you need to go to your admin panel, choose career in the sidebar, and currently you can see that there are 4 positions created. And you can let's see how this works. Simply hover on the position, click on the edit icon, and open edit mode. And here you can see that this page is simply a text page. You can enter your requirements here to the description, and on the right you are able to specify position location. You are able to change the call to action copy. Right here now it's apply now, so you can change that right here. And you can see that, let's go back to our career page for a second. So right here you can see the call to action apply now. On click, I'll open a pop-up. So this pop-up is created, just a second. So this pop-up is created using a plugin called Boxzilla, and here you can see it's a short code. So to edit the pop-up, you need to go to the plugin details. Right here you will see Boxzilla, so open it in a new page, and you'll see that there are 4 pop-ups created, and career position apply box is the one we are interested in. Right here you can change its title, this one. Simply type your own title. You can change a subtitle, this one. And you can see that right here it's a contact form. So this form is a contact form, exactly the same we are using on a contact page. So contact form lives in contact forms right here. So we've already talked about how to edit them. Underneath you can change box appearance, which means you can change background color, you can add a border if you need, and so on. So just go through the settings. If you need to change something, do that. You can see that, don't forget to click on the update button if you made any changes. Let's go back to our page. So here we have apply new button link. So it's so we'll open a pop-up in our case, but if you want to redirect your potential applicants to a different page, you can simply insert a link right here, and users will be redirected to a different page once they clicked this button. Okay, so let's go back to our positions. So once you've created open positions, they will be shown on the career page in this block. And in the Elementor settings, you can change the number of positions you want to showcase. So click on the edit button, and here you can specify a different number. We have currently 4 positions, so I'll leave this number as it is. On the career page, under the position list, you can see that there is this block with a subscription form. and this block is not editable in Elementor. So let's see how we can edit it. Simply go to the edit mode of the page, the standard edit mode WordPress, by clicking on the edit page link on top of the page. So here it is. In the right side panel, you'll see CTA block. This block is responsible for the subscription form on the career page. And this subscription form, it's a template. Template's name is Call to Action section. You can see that it's selected right here, and this means that this subscription form will be visible before footer on the career page. So let's take a look where all these templates live and where we can edit them. We need to go to the admin panel. In the left side panel, choose templates, saved templates. And you'll see here the list of templates that are saved for our website. Let's take a look. Here it is, our call to action section. Let's click on the edit with Elementor link, and we'll open Elementor editor. Here it is. So here we can see our form, and we can edit it right here. So we can change the icon, we can change copy if needed, we can edit subscription form. So here in templates, saved templates, you'll see the list of all templates, and you're able to make changes by clicking on edit with Elementor action. Let's take a look on Instagram plugin settings. So on our website, we have Instagram section before footer, and we need to connect Instagram account to showcase these beautiful pictures on the website. Let's go to the admin panel. Let's find Instagram feed plugin right here. So click on this tab. And first thing we need to do is to connect our account. So let's go back. So click on the add new. Right here, user timeline. Well, perfect. So we are going to use a free version of this plugin. It works great. No need to buy a pro version at this point. Click on the next button. Click on the add source. Here we need to choose whether we are using personal or business account, and then click on the login with Instagram. Click on allow. And perfect, here we can see that we've added our Instagram account. Choose the account, click on the next button, and you'll be redirected to the settings page of this widget. So you can see that by default, this plugin adds this huge icon, a link, some buttons, so we don't need that. So let's customize the plugin. Let's see, choose header, turn off header, go back, load more button, go here and disable it. Perfect, let's go back, follow button, let's disable follow button since we have a default button in the theme, which is more beautiful. Perfect, so we left pictures only and we can save them. In my Instagram account I have only 7 photos, and you can see that here 7 photos are shown. So if you need to showcase more photos, simply add more in your Instagram. You can change feed layout if needed. I'll leave feed layout as it is, but I'll decrease the number of posts to 8. I think that, and for mobile I'll choose maybe even 4. That's more than enough. And let's save changes. Perfect, let's take a look how our Instagram feed works and looks. Let's scroll down. Perfect, here it is. Awesome. That was easy. You may have noticed that in the footer there is this section, subscription section, and you can see that there is no input field for people to subscribe. So to set up your subscription form, you need to go to your admin panel, find MailChimp plugin, here it is. click on this tab and you need to set an API key right here. Here there is a link with instruction how you can do that. It's pretty simple, just follow step by step this instruction, paste your API key right here, save changes, and you'll see that status will be changed to connected. This label will become green. That will mean that you've added your MailChimp API key, and after that you'll have your form working. Another benefit of downloaded theme from ThemeForest is that each theme on this marketplace has documentation. So here you can see there are 2 buttons on the theme details page. You can go quickly and create a support ticket if you need any help, or you can view documentation. Let's see how it looks. So basically it's a very detailed description with screenshots how theme works. You can search here by keywords, so press Command F, enter, I don't know, colors for example, and here you can see section about color settings. This is very handy, so pay attention on the documentation as well. These were all main settings of the website. Now you know how to create a WordPress site for cosmetics shop. If you have any questions left, let me know in comments. If you noticed that I forgot to touch upon any topic, again, just let me know. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye!